Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Out for a paddle today on Chesterfield Canal and I'm doing a bit of testing. Now, do you remember the video where I tested the Hikeen touchscreen swim buoy, where you put your phone in there and you can access it and it keeps it dry? Well, I did say in that video that I wanted to try the Drybag version. They haven't sent me this, I've bought it because I thought I just really want to try this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to inflate it in a minute, and I've got a towel in there already to see whether this gets wet when we do the test, and then I'm also going to put my camera gear in there and see if it floats, because this was the whole idea for me, was to have something that I could put my sort of like heavier gear in, and then if it did go over the side, would it float? There's only one way to find out, isn't there? It's got valves on both sides and they are twist lock, a little bit like Halky Roberts valves. You just have to pop them out until the little red thing pops out, then you push it in to deflate. So this is supposed to hold about 20 litres. Looks alright, doesn't it? Looks like it should float with my gear in. Right, so I've got it inflated. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to chuck a phone in here. So there's a phone in there, as you can see, right on Chesterfield Canal, and I'm going to chuck this in the water and see how it goes. I'd say this weighs about 3-4 kilos. So I'm going to chuck it in and see how it fares. Well, at least it's floating, so that's a good sign. So we'll drag it around for a bit and see how it goes. Probably drag it for about 10-15 minutes or so and see how it fares. Right, I've been dragging this for quite a distance now, so let's get it out and have a look, see what's happened, if anything. Gonna get wet legs here, aren't I? Yep. Right, well the phone compartment's dry. If I turn my phone on, yeah, that's all come on. So we know that the zip on here works. Let's have a look inside and see if anything's wet inside. I'm blocking the canal here. River hooligans, that's what I am. Oh. There is a few drips inside, but that's only because of where I've opened the bag. So I might need to let the air out in order to get this out, because it forms a tight seal around the stuff that you've got in it. It grips it, in other words. Yeah, there's a few splashes, but as I say, that's come from me opening the bag. The towel at the bottom, bone dry. Bone dry. Pretty good. Yeah, glad I got this. Nice. So this is the Hikeen swim buoy, the updated version, the one with the dry bag, 20 litre dry bag built in. I'll put a link in the comment description. If you want to check it out, you can. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Sorry.